Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to Dr. Said Zahurul Islam. Today, my friend and I would like to do a presentation regarding two topics about safety and health that you have asked us to discuss. So, here is our presentation.
This is all my team member for this work group. I will proceed to the first topic. The first way to ensure compliance of the Safety and Health Act is provide policy. As an business owner, you need to provide a workplace that is free from hazard. Therefore, a dear policy is needed to ensure that the objective can be achieved. Employers need to create and enforce a policies and it need to be done consistently so that all potential accident can be prevented. Next ways to ensure the compliance of Safety and Health Act is to educate the employees. An effective training program should be held for all the employees. A training program should include all necessary knowledge, such as how to wear PPE properly, how to store chemical liquid, and etc. Demonstrating employees using a real equipment and having them do the procedure will be more effective rather than showing them a video.
Assalamualaikum Doctor. My name is Nuhaimsa binti Abdul Halil. Today I will explain ways to implement and control a sound safety and health program at workplace. First, we need to use PPE, personal protective equipment such as earbuds, but it's less effective because it relies on human action. Second, we need to isolate the noise source from the workers in selected rooms, thus we can add the windows of hearing protection zone. Third, according to the OSHA Noise Exposure 2019, we need to use a noise level that is the workers should not be exposed more than 85 decibels more than 8 hours. So, the equipment need to undergo the noise-free assessments using the standards International Electrotechnical Commission. Fourth, we can use the audiometric testing, which is to determine the hearing level of the subject using the audiometer. Audiometric testing is very crucial because the workers has been exposed to the noise too long, so they need to undergo this testing. All the data need to be kept for 5 years, and also the noise risk assessments need to be kept for at least 13 years for the authority to check if they follow the regulation that we made by the OSHA Malaysia. That's all from me. Thank you.
My name is Nadia Farha and I will continue on ways to ensure the compliance of OSHA. So the other way is auditing. The auditing is to determine whether the OSH management system and its element are in place, adequate and effective in protecting the safety and health of workers and preventing incidents. This is important because the OSH management system needs to be relevant in order to increase the compliance of OSHA. So the lastly is providing supervisor. The employer needs to provide a supervisor because effective supervision can help employers monitor the effectiveness of the training that people have received, the worker have received, and whether workers have the competence to do the job. So that's all.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I would like to present the other way to implement and control a sound safety and health program at workplace. Firstly is quieter equipment. We need to consider noise alongside other factors. We need to hire and buy other equipment with based on noise data with different machines, so that we can provide machinery with safety and without a risk of health. Secondly is hearing protection. We need to provide ear protector to the employees. when their exposure with noise exceed 85 decibels. Thirdly is provide training. We need to train our workers to identify and control the noise. And lastly is quiet zone. Build quiet areas so that the employees can run from noisy areas, and which can avoid their eardrum from harm. That's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, first, we can evaluate the hearing protectors' attenuation and effectiveness for the specific workplace noise. And then we can train and inform the workers to ensure that they are aware of the hazard from excessive noise exposures and how to properly use the protective equipment that has been provided. And then we can also inform the workers at risk from hazardous levels of noise exposure from the results of their noise monitoring. Lastly, we can implement comprehensive hearing protection follow-up procedures for workers who show a loss of hearing, which is standard threshold shift, after completing baseline and yearly audiometric testing. That's all from our group. Thank you very much. I hope you have a good day.